Hi there. So I am here to show you a demo of the learning process at this virtual college by Upskill Mafia. And this is the place where you would be learning complete full stack web development from basics to advanced. Now, the specialty of this place is that you can actually interact with the other students and the mentors live on this same platform. So you can see these are the other students who are sitting here and actually learning. Right. So you can go to anybody and actually interact with them. So we have actually tried to replicate the offline learning classroom experience to the online manner, so that you are motivated and your learning journey becomes interesting. Now let me quickly show you how everything works. So if I zoom in, you can see here is my avatar. You would get your own once you sign up, and I can move it anywhere by double clicking on the platform. So if I want to talk to anybody, I just have to go to near them, and I can unmute myself. Hi, Akash.
I should go with Timon.
Yeah, and I can also screen share, and I can maybe chat with them. So now let me actually tell you how you would be learning web development, right? So for that, I just need to go to any of these chairs. Then at the bottom, you can see there is this open ask button. I just have to open it. So we are teaching you complete web development from basics to advanced with the help of project-based learning. So we have divided the whole curriculum into 28 tasks, which covers everything from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Redux, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. Right, and once you complete all these 28 tasks, you would be industry ready. Right, so for that you now how to do these tasks. So you can access the task by clicking on this button here, and you can view the task. And if you want to learn those concepts, you just can access the lectures which are mentioned here. We have provided lectures in both Hindi and English, so you can choose them and then play them. And after that you can do the task. So to access the task, just click on view task, and here is the task that you have to do. Right, so you can after doing the task, you can submit from here, and done. Once you submit the task, all the tasks would be reviewed by the mentors, and they would provide you a feedback and then approve the task. So this is how you would be learning here. Further, if you face any doubts while learning, we have a mentor room here where the mentors are present. I can just go to them and interact with them. Hi Ritik, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm also good. All right. So you can go to the mentors who are live every day from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. and interact with them live. You can also screen share and ask all your doubts. Now, we also have challenges in this campus. So if, let me just show you. So the process is same. I just need to go to any of the chair, then click on the open up chair, and another dashboard would open up. These are the advanced challenges which you can say, which will help you become an expert in the field of web development, right? So the process is same. You can just view the task and the lectures, view the challenge and the lectures, and then submit them. So once you do these, I can ensure you that you would be completely industry ready and ready to get hired anywhere. So this is how the whole campus works. Hope you liked it, and trust me, you would enjoy a lot once you get in here. Thanks.